The retaining screw secures the punch to your metal nibbler. The special screw has a point milled on it that secures against a recess milled in the punch. Over time, the point can wear and the punch might not be firmly secured. Replacing the retaining screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the die holder. With the nose piece removed, now I can remove the punch. The punch is secured with a screw. Now I can remove the screw from the punch holder. And I'll install the new screw. To install the punch, I'll align the recess at the top of the punch with the screw in the holder. And then I'll tighten the screw. Now I can reinstall the die holder and die assembly. And secure it with the nut. And that's how easy it is to replace the retaining screw in your nibbler. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.